Well, today is the 11th of January, and finally we got the first white. It has switched in. There was a freezing rain yesterday for quite a few hours, and now it's a snowstorm, blizzard conditions. Well, Canada, here we go. Well, today the 14th of January, and looks like the snow storm is sort of over. It actually looks beautiful out. And now comes the moment where my camera, the GoPro, falls in the snow to disappear for quite a few seconds. Whoops, my God. I picked it up as quickly as I could and still got how the snowplow finished the job. Well, it's working. I had to free the camera out of the snow. Well, that is my guy doing my snow removal. And me, I just need to shuffle this short spot here. I took the chance with the light, the wonderful little sunlight coming through the trees, to do a little flying. I took a chance because the temperature was -15, which is quite extremely cold, with some, well, windshield factor is always there with a drone. But I made sure I stayed with the drone over already cleared ground from the snowplow. So in case my drone comes down or has to go down, it would be safe. It's a beautiful day there, crisp and clear and just wonderful. Coming back here now, I started to get a warning that filled out the whole screen on my thing, telling me that because of extreme temperatures, the suggestion was go and land your drone, bring your drone down. We are not responsible for any mishaps that's happening now if you do not bring your drone down to land. Which I'm a good boy. I went straight home to bring it down, and it was good to know that DJI has a cold weather warning. You had to agree. I had to click on agree that I take responsibility from here on in, whatever happened to my drone, which I did, and then I went back straight to bring the flight to an end. It gave me a good 2.5, almost 3 minutes of flight, which was fun, just to show you what a wonderful day it was today. You see me here standing. I'm not looking that, but look, I'm at home. It's a snowy snowstorm day, so I look like I was in the snowstorm, don't I?